This is a 1996 Carrier air conditioner located at my gym. And it made a very, very loud, knocking noise when the compressor kicked on. And as far as I know, this is a straight cool unit and not a heat pump. And I thought it was older than it was when I saw it for the first time, because as you can see, it's very rusty. And the mesh, the metal mesh, or whatever you'd like to call it, that covers the condenser is it either rotted away or they cut it away. There used to be a condenser guard. And there is a 2004 Carrier heat pump at another part of the building that I'm going to try and film today if it turns on. Yeah, this is a straight cool unit. And from what I can tell, it is a 5 nominal ton. It is going to be very warm today. It's according to my watch, it's 9:21 right now. It's already in the low 70s. It's going to get up into the low 80s today. Disconnect box. The condensate drain, or whatever you'd like to call it. Yeah, I remember looking at this unit in the off season during the winter, and I couldn't see a reversing valve, so yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a straight cool unit. And then there are a bunch of Trane packaged units up on the roof, and my guess would be that those are heat pumps. I'm pretty sure my gym has all electric heat. That's what my trainer told me. Though, even in the winter, they sometimes run the heat pumps on the roof in cool mode because it gets kind of hot inside the building when people are working out. I can actually feel the cold air from the vent blowing on me when I'm on the elliptical trainer. I find it hard to believe this is a 5-ton. It doesn't look like a 5-ton. It just has a 60 in the model number. The model number is 38CKB060510. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a 5-ton. There's a bug right there. It's definitely seen better days, but the condenser coil is in pretty decent shape. It has a couple little nicks in it, but it's in pretty decent shape. Plenty of airflow. It looks like they keep it nice and clean. I don't know why they cut away the condenser guard. But yeah, nice little unit. You cannot go wrong with a Carrier product, in my opinion. Don't know how some people will feel about the installation on cinder blocks, but all in all, it seems to be a very clean installation. And the air handler or furnace or whatever the hell this is hooked up to, I assume it's either just a straight air handler with no heating, or it's an air handler that has electric backup heat. Like what I've seen in some place around here where they don't want to spend the extra money to install a heat pump because they don't use the heat that much. Like at the nursing home, they'll have just a straight cool air conditioner with electric backup heat in case they need to use the heat. Expensive but functional. Alright, let's go see if the 04 Carrier is running. Let me just take a picture of the data sheet. I'll be back. And the heat pump is not running right now. I'm sure it will be. It's very warm and very humid today. And again, this is a 2004 3 nominal ton, or 36,000 BTU. You may remember one time I was here at the gym with my mom working out, and I wanted to get a video of it defrosting because it was all frozen up, and my mom wanted to leave, so I missed that opportunity. I mean, it was really frozen up, and it was like below freezing. When the heck was that? In January, I think? Something's dripping. Don't know what the hell it is. Yeah, I don't know what these two split systems do, because I know the primary workout floor has a bunch of train packaged units. So these are probably for a couple of side offices. And this building has been here since at least the early 90s. Oh, the magic of Google Earth. The perfect way to see how long a building has been there. So this has a reciprocating compressor. I assume it... Oh, shoot. Stepped on the gutter. I assume it's a Copeland reciprocating. There's the reversing valve right there. Alright, hopefully this will be running by the time I come out when I'm done with my workout. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.